Folks, your OS reviews. You're watching our video review of the Mobee Magic Case. This is a battery case for use with the Apple iPhone, and the company has produced one version for the iPhone 5/5s and one for the iPhone 6. So you can select from the model that best fits your phone. It comes in two versions, the gray and the black version, and they retail for roughly $80 online. Now at that price point, you're probably saying, well, that's not the best deal I've seen for an iPhone battery case, and you'd be correct. However, there's a twist to Mobee's solution. Rather than being just a pure battery case, you can also charge the case itself using inductive technology. There's actually a pad that Mobee is actually selling, so you can charge the battery on the actual casing using a micro USB cable, or simply setting it down onto the inductive charger and then wirelessly charging your iPhone in the process. So it's a very cool all-in-one design that both protects your phone and also provides power. Both of these cases provide a 100% charge to your iPhone. So on the iPhone 5 version here, it has a 2200 milliamp hour battery, the same capacity as the iPhone, so it provides up to 2 times longer for the usage. And over here for the iPhone 6, it comes in a 2800 milliamp hour capacity. So it's going to be pretty fully featured and fully packed. So we're going to take a look at the iPhone 6 version here today, and you can see the presentation is pretty nice. You can also find this directly through Apple's store online in addition to Amazon, so it is a certified product. There are LED indicators in the back with 4 LEDs that tells you that each time you lose one LED, you lose about 25%. There's a soft touch material that's pretty grippy and easy to use, and a pretty nice discrete design is going on here. To get the actual inductive charger, you have to purchase the model from the manufacturer. This is not a QI-enabled charger, so you won't be able to use just any inductive charger in the world. You have to get it through the manufacturer's website, which is one particular downside for this. Otherwise, though, it's a pretty nicely presented and packaged product. And on the inside, we have access just to the battery case over here. And try to pull that out. There's also the cable in case you don't want to use. The battery case isn't anything extraordinary, but it is a robust and industrial look that fits and works pretty nicely. It has a very grippy texture to it, which is great because the original back on the iPhone 6 is quite slippery due to that metallic finish. It's not the thinnest case in the world, but it still will fit easily into any pockets or into any bags, and the fact that there are inductive coils in addition to the battery on the back makes this size a little bit more impressive in general. On the back, you have access to that micro USB cable for charging the case, and there's also a port for the headphone adapter that you can still use. There's also on the front the place where you simply plug in the actual iPhone onto the casing itself, and there are also cutouts for the speakers so you can still hear what's going on. On the sides there's going to be the volume rockers, the back features the camera ports, and on the sides you have access to the power on-off switch and the rotation lock switch as well. So all the ports are pretty nicely handled. On the very back there's access to the LED indicator for the power. It comes partially charged, so you have 50% charge when you first take it out of the box. Simply hold on that for a few seconds longer to check out how much charge is actually on the unit, and you can see it's about 50%, and again you need to charge it up before you can first use it. It's automatically going to start charging when you place your iPhone inside. You don't have to press any buttons or anything, so it's an automatic process. It's not going to overcharge your iPhone, which is the part that Mobee is claiming to be smart. It's not going to prevent any. It's going to prevent any overcharging or any overheating, which is the special element on this case. Using inductive technology is going to take longer for you to fully charge this case, as opposed to using the traditional micro USB. If you want to use inductive technology to charge this particular iPhone case, it's going to take about 3 to 4 hours to fully charge, as opposed to micro USB, which will take about 2 hours to charge. So it's going to be a longer wait. So if you're in a rush, probably using the micro USB tip would be the smarter choice. Opening up the case to place your iPhone inside is also quite simple. You just have this very simple door that opens up by applying a little bit of pressure. It's not going to accidentally fall open by itself either, and you simply slide in your iPhone onto these sides. The inside of the case also has a soft touch material which prevents the back of your iPhone from scratching every time that you move and put in your iPhone again. You can see the company has the Magic Case. It's actually designed in Switzerland, which is relatively impressive, but manufactured in China. Now, once you have the iPhone actually inserted into the case, you can still sync data by using, despite having some slight flaws, like the fact that you have to use the actual Mobee inductive charger to actually use the wireless charging, and the fact that the price tag is a little bit expensive. We still are fans of this particular battery case for the iPhone 6. It's well designed, it's well crafted, it has a LED indicator on the back, and comes fully packed with both the ability to charge using micro USB or using that unique inductive technology. To learn more information about this case, be sure to read our full written review, but this has been our video. Thanks for watching. Here are OS Reviews.